If you happen to visit the official Philips website, you would find that their line of air fryers is in fact the world's most popular, with over 5 million units sold. In many cases, the popularity of a product isn't always correlated with how good it is, but with Philips XL air fryer, nothing could be further from the truth. The product contains a 60-minute timer with an automatic on-off setting, so you don't have to sit around minding your food. Compared to a conventional oven, you may think it's too short, but when it comes to frying food, it gives you more than enough time, as most recipes only take 15 to 30 minutes. The most important aspect of any air fryer is how good it cooks food, and this appliance excels in this regard. The rapid air technology enables you to fry, grill, and roast food as efficiently as possible and keeps the smell down to a minimum. Perfect for a shared living arrangement. There is a lot of talk regarding the patented starfish design at the bottom of the cooking area. So what are the advantages of this? Well, combined with the rapid air technology, it circulates hot air around the entire unit to ensure all the food is evenly cooked. The fryer weighs in at 15.4 pounds with a capacity of 2.65 pounds. It's a pretty hefty unit and will leave a large footprint on your tabletop. It's perfect if you're looking to feed around 4 people, but if you're a single person or a couple, it's better to look for a smaller Philips air fryer previously mentioned. The digital touchscreen allows you to set the temperature up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, which is high enough to fry any food. There's also a smart preset button to save your cooking settings for when you want to cook the same dish again. When it's time to clean, a dishwasher-safe detachable basket and drawer ensures the components that get the most dirty are also the easiest to clean.